Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is another night that I'm prepping the night before, or the day before to be quite honest with you. I got some bone-in, skin-on split chicken breast that I'm gonna get on some marinade and just go overnight and all day tomorrow while I'm at work. We'll come in tomorrow evening and grill them up. After with a little smoke on them. Let me show you what we're doing. It's gonna be pretty simple, guys. Because like I said, this is two just split breast. I could probably do some trimming on these. Be honest with you, I'm lazy and I'm not going to. We're just gonna go straight into the bag. There's just two of them. It's just Mama and I, so that's all we're doing is just the two of us, two chicken breasts. That's it, guys. What's that? I found this today. This is the Hughes. You know I love the Hughes sugar-free stuff. Hughes sugar-free lemon herb marinade. I can't think of anything better to get on this overnight and let everything fall in love in there. So guys, let's do that. That's all we're doing. Seal this up, get most of the air out of it. Gonna rub that in there, get it all over both pieces of chicken. Guys, this is going in the fridge, like I said, overnight. All day tomorrow, and when I get off work tomorrow, we're gonna grill it up on the grill. I ain't decided which grill yet. Most likely the gas grill because it's been so hot here in Louisville. So, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, I've taken these out of the bag. I was going to pat them dry a little bit, but I don't think I'm going to worry about that. These are monster, or that one's a monster anyway. Off camera, I turned that middle burner off and turned the other two all the way down. We're going to cook this indirect. I'm turning the thicker part of the chicken towards the heat. Get it going right there. We're going to cook this pretty much indirect. I'll probably grill it off at the end, get a little char on the skin, but otherwise, this is how we're going to cook this. Alright folks, we do need to get a little smoke on here. I do want to show you this. These are wood pellets. These, I bought an assortment of pellets in small bags just for this type of cooks. This one is one that caught my attention because I really have no idea what it's going to do. It's Barbecue Delight is the brand, and it's savory herb. It's oak wood, oregano, rosemary, and thyme. And I'm gonna get some of that smoke on this chicken, guys, and see what happens. I really don't know. It's a whole new experiment for me on this cook. Let's get this lit. It takes a minute to get these pellets going, but once they're going, they burn pretty good. Alright, our target temp here for cooking, I'm going to try to regulate this till I get about 350 to 375 and probably take about half hour, 45 minutes before I grill it off. We'll just check it as we go. Got a little smoke going. I'm going to go refill my gun and we'll check back here in a little bit. Alright guys, we've been on here roughly 20 minutes. I'm going to give these guys a turn for some even cooking. Might work on that skin a little bit. Ain't even checking, I know we're nowhere close, so check back in another 15 minutes or so. guys, we're about 45 minutes in. I'm gonna give these guys another turn, and I'm gonna check some temps on it. Starting to look good and smell good, guys. Stay off the bone. About 130, yeah, 130 range. This one's actually getting close. Shooting for 165. These are chicken breasts. They're done at 165. So this one might come off a little sooner. Smells delicious. So all right, guys, a little longer, and I'm gonna grill these off. All right, guys. Give this a turn. I want to check some temps. I think we're gonna start grilling these off a little bit. Turn it on, dummy. I think the smaller piece, 150, yeah, we definitely need to grill that. I'm gonna grill both of them so we can get some good grill marks on them. But I have a feeling the larger one I'm gonna need to leave on here a little longer. But I want to get some little char on the skin, a few little grill marks. We'll come back in a few minutes and give this a flip. Oh yeah. Be back in a few minutes, guys. Hey guys, we're almost an hour into this cook. 162. I'm gonna pull the smaller one indirect anyway. I've turned off both of these burners over here. Got a little ways to go on this larger one. I don't want to grill it anymore though, so I'm gonna pull it directly over the heat up here and let her finish off. I gotta get this guy off of the direct heat. Just like that. You guys, off camera, I already pulled Mama's off. She was getting a little hungry. This is a larger piece, so it took a few minutes longer. Ooh, that is burning my hands. Let me turn that down. I think we're there though. Yeah, we're there, definitely there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I should have pulled that off a minute ago. Let's get this inside and let it rest a second, and I will give it a taste test for you guys. Alright folks, it's just Mama and I tonight. I broke out the fan china. It's a weeknight cook. Mama whooped up some cheap old butter and herbs, rice. Get that on the plate there. Now let's pay attention to this main course here. I'm gonna see if I can sneak in and get a bite of that chicken breast. I want that skin on there if I can. It's wanting to come off. That's a good sign, I guess. A piece of that. There is some juices there. Definitely some juices there. Let's get a bite of that. Cause I'm hungry. I don't know if I mentioned it. We're in a heat wave in Louisville. It got hot a little early here in the bluegrass. Get a bite of that. Well, pretty juicy. That lemon herb marinade from Hughes. Guys, that is sugar-free too, guys. Delicious, delicious. I do want a bite of that skin. Got a good crunch to it. Wow. Good crunch. Another bite for you. Guys, I'm so glad I did this. It's so hot. Let me get that down. I'll have to deal with the gasser tonight just because it's so hot out there. I don't want to be out there any longer than I have to. I got hot enough just doing this cook. So guys, thank you as always. This was a delicious chicken that I marinated. I hadn't marinated anything in a very long time. So that's why I kind of wanted to do this cook. Plus I seen this Hughes marinade and just wanted to give it a try. So it worked out really good. And the chicken's delicious. I love it. I recommend it. Guys, thank you as always. So glad you joined me once again. We work hard on these videos. It's just a part-time thing for me. I enjoy doing it. Not here for the millions of dollars or the millions of views. I'm just having fun with my friends and the friends I've made on this channel. So thank you as always. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.